Okay, so I looked over the alignment, and it's not bad, but we've got some issues. One, we don't want these little segments of line. We want, so if you extend them, see how they're not perpendicular to each other. They should be. You shouldn't have two lines touching each other. You should have a curve in between lines. And for something this small, it should probably just be one line. Also, curves, when they go to lines, they need to be tangent to each other. You can tell that this one's not tangent. If you put a tangent line on it, it goes off into nothingness there. So there's two things. One, make sure you're using snaps correctly. Snaps are all these down here. If you don't have these, it's in this locks. It's in the button next to it. You should hit button bar, and that's what brings this guy up. And then you can right click and pick which ones you want. I show all of them because I use all of them. Whenever you're drawing a line from an arc, you want to do tangent from, and you can do that from the end point. That's what the tangent point snap is. If you just do tangent, it'll do it tangent along any point that you create. So it's always tangent that way. If you're creating an arc between two lines, like this one, what you'll do is you'd go to the arc tool, go tangent to that line, then tangent to that line, and then wherever you place it will be tangent to both of them. And you can pick your radius. Let's go with 500 on this one just as an example. You'll notice that they don't, the tangent line and the arc don't touch, so you need to trim the intersection. Click on the line, click on the arc, and they'll meet where they intersect, and then they'll be tangent. And that's how this whole thing needs to look. You need to have arcs in between lines. No two lines should be touching each other, and the arcs and the lines need to be tangent to each other. All right.